Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today we're gonna be cruising and giving out Korean fried chicken sandwiches.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher. Low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a real goer. Hey. Low rider knows every street, yeah. Low rider is the one to meet, yeah. Low rider don't use no gas now. Low rider don't drive too fast. Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip and see. Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip with me.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and God bless y'all.